getting mad. I'm getting oily. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch.
Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome to my channel. Before you start watching, give a thumbs up and subscribe. And you know you want to be a baby, you want to keep up with this brown girl. So let's get started. So today we're about to be a basic girl. Basic booty guru. Follow the trend of following a makeup guru's makeup video. So today we're gonna be following Maria Hokulani.
What's up, guys? It's Marina.
This simple fall half cut crease makeup look. So yeah, I have all my products. So we're just gonna follow what she does. Sorry if I don't look at the camera, it's because I'm gonna be looking at the video. Shoot, this light's bright. It's losing my point of vision. Alright.
What's up, guys? It's Marina, and today I'm
Hey Marina.
this fall half cut crease. Super
Okay.
simple. I just wanted it to be simple. Don't mind my bang. I accidentally cut it too short.
For real.
I'm not making it. If you guys recreate this look, then you guys can tag me on Instagram or Twitter, and I will.
Alright girl, I'm gonna tag you.
And I also love seeing you guys cut your bang because I know a lot of you guys.
Yes, since we ain't cutting our bangs today, honey. No. Oh, and I got a new like makeup. Okay, whatever. Oh, so hold on, let me pause that. So she did her eyebrows before she got into camera, so I'm about to do mine and I'll start back up the video. They got his eyebrows done. They probably look like 2 bricks. In the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna use the Huda Booty Gold Rose Gold Edition. Yeah, I prime my eyelids with freaking concealer. So damn girl, you doing LA Girl Pro Conceal because both drugstore, both look pretty good. And I use this anyway to prime my eyelids. And then she said to it powder. I would think you would leave it because it's a nice sticky base, but I guess not. So I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Sandalwood in the Huda Booty palette. Huda Booty. And I'm gonna set that. And then she uses an orangey color. Then I'm gonna use I'm gonna use henna in the palette, henna. And she says that she uses an orangey color.
Fluffy transition brush. Literally got this in a set on Amazon for like $12.
I probably have that one. Yeah, I do.
Okay, so she's putting it all on her crease. Wait, for the transition shade. Mine's a little bit on the reddish terracotta side, but who gives a fuck? Actually, so
Juvia's Place Nubian palette, and I'm gonna take this like orangey color on the top and use that as that part where she was like, use the burnt orangey color, because that one was like that other one she was talking about. So I'm gonna just put that on top.
like right there, like she said, and hopefully this, like this, I'm not the best at reading directions and shit, so just put that right on top, like so. And then she said put the terracotta color right here too. So I guess she's just going back and forth with the color, playing with it.
It takes like a deep reddish color, so I'm gonna take Bossy in the palette, Bossy, and I'm gonna add that to wherever she says to add it.
You're just going to want to put this color on the edge. Same thing, just building it up more. Placing this color a little bit above my crease because my eyelids fold over like that. So in order for the colors to
back in with that terracotta color, but damn girl, you going that fast, but it's obviously sped up, but yeah. So it's a half cut crease, so she doesn't go all the way on her lid. She goes like, she starts from the corner. I hope y'all can see this and I'm not just wasting my time. I'm gonna go in with Bay from the Huda Booty palette and pack that on right there. So like she used like an eggshell light color. So I'm gonna do the same, but I feel like I just messed it up because my Pro Conceal shade is like a couple skin tones lighter than me, and I ain't that light. So yeah, just take it and pack it out right there. And then she said go in with like that reddish ochre color, so I'm back gonna go in with Bossy and Man Eater, and I'm gonna put that, and she said just to blend it in and shit, like so.
Back in with
To
red
make it
ochre,
more
I'm just gonna
defined.
blend out the edges. And then
Why I look like a hot mess and she looks like a goddess? Like,
put a little bit more red ochre so that it'll be more
why?
defined.
Okay. Now let's go cut the other crease. In with Coco from the palette, because she said she went in with like an umber color and put it right there to darken it up. Just give me a little bit of something. Give me a little bit of something. Yes. Coco, come through. Come through, Coco. I forgot to get some lashes, so I'm using the she used a Maybelline one. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex water resistant mascara. I really don't like it because it clumps up my eyelashes, but I don't have another mascara. Well, actually, why is it working good today? You're so fake. You're so fake. I don't really use a primer, but I use an illuminator under my thing. So this is the Safari Biotangles Skin Illuminator, and I just put this under my skin because I like to, like, you know, ooh, come on, ooh, come through. Like, I like to mattify everything, so this illuminator just helps out with the shit. So, I know this is not part of her tutorial, but this is basically my primer.
For foundation, I'm going to be using the
Okay, so she's using Milani. I don't have that because I don't trust drugstore, so I'm using Lancome, the Ultra Wear, with my beauty blender. So let's see how she applies it. No! Sis, I can't use a brush. I don't even have that type of brush she has. So, I'm about to use my beauty blender and do this. Like sis, no, I can't do that. I don't have that type of brush. Concealer, I don't believe is light enough. Okay, so I'm about to use this next one.
Yes, I broke out the other side on accident. Judge me.
A lot of you guys have been asking me why I don't
Okay,
like
so
cheesecake because y'all know that.
hold on, she's going a little too fast because she's bronzing up her face already.
Maybe I just got a bad one. I don't know.
I'm just gonna take some of this and highlight.
Like I put put it underneath my
Where
eyes.
does she
And
highlight?
it was like a nice color at
Oh,
first,
the
but
other
then when
side
it
on
dried
shipping
down, it
because they
literally
had that
made it
wasn't
so pink.
so
It was
good.
just
Really
bad.
good.
And I
Okay,
kept
so
it, I
she
wasted it
highlights
all.
under her
I
eyes.
didn't even pay for that Ulta shipping because they had
Sis!
that in what it
Wait!
was so sad. I
Wait!
really did like that.
Okay, so I'm going over with that again.
My face, I'm gonna be
With my
using the
UV
White
colors
Contour palette.
to bronze up my
Yes,
face.
I broke out the other side on accident.
Oh! God. I don't usually bronze up my face or contour like that. But oh damn girl, you're going back fast. And I guess when she does this, she sets her face too. I guess she wants that bronzy look. So she, my girl, I need to get that double chin. Because I usually use cream to the thing. So I'm about to set my face as well while we're at it because sis, I get oily. I'm sorry. She getting mad. He getting mad. He getting oily. He getting mad. He getting oily. Okay, so I don't know if she uses like, seems like she doesn't. Kind of mad. It seems like she doesn't use like a spray before she adds like her, sorry, I was just checking on myself, before she adds like her highlighter. So I'm just gonna do it. She goes in with this light gold color, so I'm using probably Glow Getter in the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Glow Kit. Okay. She smiles when she does it.
I'm just gonna take Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette.
Hey guys, so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already subscribed.
So I guess she cuts out the part where she talks about the nails, but all you hear is Urban Decay Uptight. So I see that she has highlight on her nose, so I'm just about to add some right here on my lip for good measure. Yeah, and then we go in with like a lip pencil. It looks like a nude, so I'm gonna go in with what is this? Cork by MAC. She kept them matte, so yeah. And then I'm about to set it all with some Fix Plus Prep and Prime. Whew. Okay, hold on. I'm giving you some Nikki tutorials right now. Bad job. I don't think so. Yeah. Maria, eat your heart out. I'm kidding. But I'm really happy I did this challenge because I really don't do challenges like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will actually start doing some more makeup tutorials. Especially because I really love makeup. I have mad makeup, but I barely do makeup tutorials. So if you want to see another makeup tutorial or something like this again, or see me and Maria do a collab, Marina do a collab, please thumbs up the video and tag her. Share this with all her friends and fans and stuff, and tag your girl. Thank you, and I'll see y'all next time, babies, and bye!